Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of Citi Strata Premier Card, exploring its features, its pricing, pros and cons, and ultimately answering the question, is it worth it in 2024? If you're looking to maximize your credit card rewards while also enjoying a range of valuable perks, then you're in the right place. Let's get started on this review. The Citi Strata Premier Card is a part of Citi's lineup of travel-focused credit cards. It's designed to reward users on their everyday purchases while giving access to premium travel benefits. Citi has positioned the Strata Premier as a middle-tier card, one that sits comfortably between entry-level rewards cards and premium options like the Citi Prestige. It's ideal for someone who loves to travel but doesn't want to pay the hefty fees associated with high-end travel cards. You can expect a nice combination of rewards on things like dining, travel, and everyday expenses, making it a solid choice for those who value flexibility in earning points. Now let us talk about its main features. Reward structure. 3 times points on travel purchases. This includes everything from flights and hotels to car rentals. 2 times points on dining and entertainment. This flexibility makes it a great card for social spenders who enjoy a night out or even a cozy movie marathon at home. 1 times points on other purchases. For everything else, you earn 1 point per dollar spent. While this might not seem as impressive as the bonus categories, it's still a way to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. Point redemption options. What's great about Citi's Thank You Rewards program is its flexibility. You can redeem your points for a variety of options, like travel, gift cards, merchandise, and cashback. No foreign transaction fees. This is a standout feature for anyone who travels internationally or frequently makes purchases from overseas retailers. Many other cards will charge you up to 3% on each foreign transaction, which can add up quickly. With the Citi Strata Premier, you'll avoid these pesky fees altogether, which is a significant saving if you're traveling abroad or purchasing from foreign e-commerce websites. Travel and purchase protections. Another key highlight of the Citi Strata Premier Card is the range of travel and purchase protections it offers. These benefits can help you in unexpected situations, making the card even more valuable for travelers. The benefits include trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage delay insurance, travel accident insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty. Now let us talk about the pricing. The Citi Strata Premier Card has a $95 annual fee, which is quite competitive when you consider the reward structure and travel perks. Now, here's the good news. The first year's annual fee is waived, which gives you the chance to try the card out without feeling like you're immediately losing money. One thing to note though is that the card has a relatively high interest rate, especially if you tend to carry a balance. It can range between 16.99% and 23.99% depending on your credit worthiness. So it's definitely not the best card for those who may need to pay off balances over time. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Citi Strata Premier Card. First, the pros. Great rewards on travel and dining. 3 times points on travel and 2 times points on dining and entertainment is quite competitive. No foreign transaction fees. This is a big win for international travelers. First year annual fee waiver. Waiving the $95 fee in the first year helps you try it out risk-free. Comprehensive travel protections. From trip cancellation insurance to travel accident coverage, this card is built with travelers in mind. How about the cons? No intro APR. Unlike many other cards, there is no 0% introductory APR offer for balance transfers or purchases. So if you're looking to transfer a balance, this might not be the best option. Limited bonus categories. While 3 times on travel and 2 times on dining are nice, there are other cards with broader reward categories like groceries or gas that this one lacks. High regular APR. As I mentioned earlier, carrying a balance on this card could get expensive due to the higher interest rates. It's better suited for those who can pay off their balance in full each month. Now here's the million-dollar question. Is the Citi Strata Premier Card worth it in 2024? For frequent travelers or anyone who spends heavily on dining and entertainment, this card absolutely offers great value. The points earning rate is solid, and the added benefits like no foreign transaction fees and travel protections make it attractive. However, if you're someone who doesn't travel much, or if you're looking for a card with more versatile rewards, you might find other options more appealing. The lack of intro APR could also be a downside if you need some breathing room on large purchases. So if you're an avid traveler looking for a mid-tier card that combines solid rewards with valuable perks, the Citi Strata Premier is definitely worth considering in 2024. But if your spending habits are more varied, you might want to look elsewhere. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture Rewards, and American Express Gold Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.